Let me put you back a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see me. I don't know, I didn't look at the camera, but it's 1:35 p.m. I gotta go to court at, where's my ticket? I don't know where my ticket is. I think it's in my cart. So I gotta be at court at 2:30, so I'm probably gonna leave here in the next 15 minutes or so. So last night, I just want to say last night was kind of crazy. I shot Chelsea Cutler's concert. I was kind of hoping she'd bring out Jeremy Zucker, but she didn't, so that kind of sucks because that's like one of my favorite artists. So them photos were crazy. I just want to say thank you, Jonah George, for letting me go in there and like take pictures or whatever. Second thing is, I am, as you guys can tell by the papers, I'm getting a little stressed out, but I'm just a little backed up on schoolwork and editing and doing stuff for them. So I'm a little backed up, I'm a little stressed out, and I got to go to court, which sucks because I do not want to pay them any money because that ticket was bullshit. But I'm probably going to do a video of me editing Chelsea's photos, and I'm going to bring you guys along with how I edit the photos and like what I go through, like editing the photos. So this is my first time ever actually shooting a concert besides like Fontaine and other small venues. So this is gonna be really cool to go through and edit. I'm gonna be in Bali in 25 days. That's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna get a lot of content out there, and hopefully I'll be vlogging more. Hopefully I do got to get some more SD cards because last night I ran out of room. I took like 800 something photos. Overkill, absolutely, but that was a good event and I did not want to miss it. The energy like Chelsea brought out to that show was crazy. If you guys went and you guys were in the Philly show, let me know because that shit was crazy, man. The energy she had was wild, yo. And she's like one of my favorite artists. I listen to her, Jeremy Zucker, and Eden a lot, so that was really cool to hear. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And also, by the way, guys, I just wanted to run something by you guys. Shut up, Black Bear. So let me go to my channel here. You guys been killing it, not even gonna lie. You got 207 subscribers now, and this video has 322 views, but what really stuck out to me was this video right here. My edited photo has almost 2K views, 58 likes, 9 dislikes, but I really don't care about dislikes. It is what it is. Like, people don't like my content, you don't like my content, I don't really care. You know, everyone has their personal opinion, so that's totally cool. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I definitely need to start uploading more. That's something I have to do. I have to push myself to do that. You know what, hold up. Where is my pencil? Alright. Hold on. Record more videos. Hold me accountable to that, guys, okay? Hold me accountable. And also, I'm in a debate here because I like my endless page. I like the word endless, and I really love the word endless. It's a dope-ass word. Like, you really can do anything you want to. But I don't like the movement part at the end. I only did that temporary, so I do need some username suggestions. If you guys could help me out, that'd be pretty cool. I'm up for anything, really. If you guys want me to change the name to lead pencil, extra lead pencil, lead. Yeah, I mean, I guess. So anyway, I hope you guys have a good day, and hopefully I turn this video into me editing Chelsea's photos. That's the plan here. So thank you guys. Thank you guys very much. Thank you, Jonah, for the opportunity. Thank you, Chelsea, for coming out. It was a really great experience, and overall, I had a blast. 800 photos I'll edit. It was well worth it. Overkill, absolutely. Yeah, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and if you guys want to see some more stuff like this, please let me know. Also, let me know a username, because I don't want to be lead pencil eater. I gotta go to court, man. Fuck. I'm out. Boom. So what's up, everybody? Tyler here, back with another video. Let me just make sure this is actually recording here. Alright, so we are recording. So like I said, I would edit the photos with you guys, the Chelsea Cutler photos. I know it's been a while, and I'm probably going to mess up my talking, so I had to get like a whole lot of dental work done. So my teeth hurt pretty bad right now, but I really want to make this video. So first things first, we're going to start off. We're just going to jump right into it. I'm trying to one-take this, so if I mess up, chances are I'm probably going to leave it in, just like how I messed up right there. So here we got this photo, the first photo. I selected 25 photos. I'm not too sure if I'm going to edit all of them with you guys, but I'm going to try to get through most of them, you know, time being. So one thing I want to address before we start editing photos is the banding. So if you guys look around here, you guys can see like the little white strips coming through. Actually, I could probably find a better photo. So this one right here, you guys can see the banding right here, and that's from my electronic shutter. I forgot to turn it off, so thank you, Anthony. I actually met this kid, Anthony, at the show, and he's the one who told me about it, so thank you very much. I'll put his Instagram up like right here or something, whatever I do with it. And also, thank you, Jonah George, for getting me in there. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. So let's get right into the photos. So this first photo, the reason why I like this is because of just like the position and what she is doing. She's performing. That's what she does. She performs. So what I would do is I'll crop it 4.5, crop it up. I'm not too sure what happened to her hands. Oh, that's from the light. So I do have an array of presets I would use personally, and my presets are all named weird stuff. Like I got one named Vitamin Water because Vitamin Water was next to me when I made the preset. So what I would do is I would go over my presets and see what really, you know, matches the photo. Bright sunlight, no. You know what? Maybe blues will. Alright, so there we go. I do like the blues. So what I'll do, I'll bring the highlights up personally. I would bring the shadows up a little bit because this was a little underexposed. And we do, alright, we'll dehaze it a little bit. Usually I don't like dehazing my photos like that or applying clarity, but this is a different scenario, so I guess I will. And I do like the saturation up. And alright, everything looks good for this photo. Now a couple things I would change here is I kind of do like the blues, but I kind of don't at the same time. So maybe what I would do is, you know what, it's really hard with this photo, especially in concerts with the lighting. But I do like the exposure down a little bit, gives it a nice little look, and it's a pretty clean photo. I'm a big fan of it, but maybe I would straighten out the photo a little bit like that, or maybe it'll straight the other way. I don't know. So there we go, that's photo 1 down. Now the second photo here, I really like this photo because her tour is called How to Be Human, and Jonah, this is actually Jonah right here, the one who got me into this event, the shoot, and he's wearing the hat, How to Be Human, so I thought this would be a cool capture. So what I would do is I would put it back to original, and then I'm probably going to edit this photo with you guys. So what you need to do is your profile corrections. I'm going to turn distortion down, turn Vigilance down some. And then what I would do, I'm going to turn clarity up. I'm going to turn dehaze up a lot because I noticed Jonah's pictures, he does like dehazing them. If that's what he does in his photos, that's what gives it the look. So then what I would do here is I would turn up exposure a little bit, add some contrast. And I'm probably going to play with the blues on this one. I'm not too sure. You know what, maybe I'll actually give it a little orange feel to make it a little bit different. And you can't really see Chelsea up there, so I'm going to drag this up there, reset this. And I'm going to bring down the highlights, and hopefully we could bring her back a little bit. Maybe if we turn down the exposure. Can't really bring her back that much because, you know, I was shooting at 1.4, right? 1.8, my apologies. And also, I did get a 4K monitor, so if this guy's... If it's looking different from the last video, it's because I'm not using my MacBook Pro anymore. So this 4K monitor is a little beefy. My computer's running a little hot, but it is what it is. The quality on this monitor is pretty crazy. So I like this photo just like this. I don't think I would adjust anything. But if you really want to get into it, you can adjust the blues. There's not really much blues going on. Maybe purples. A lot of purples going on. You can adjust the luminance if you're really into that. But you see what it does if you do that. We can also change the color a little bit, and I kind of like this pinkish look, so I'm just going to rock with it and go with it, and that's it. So this next photo we have of her is performing, and this photo right here, probably my favorite photo I shot, even though we have a couple obstructions in a way, it's still one of my favorite photos, so even it out. And, oh, I didn't even know she has a tattoo right there. That's nice. So with this photo, I'm going to look to see if maybe we have presets so I can show you guys my presets. Okay, that's a pretty good preset so far, but I really like this Wedding Nights preset. I actually made this to shoot a wedding, so it's kind of ironic we're using it for a concert. So it just goes to show you can use your presets wherever as long as you just change and adjust the settings accordingly. And I'm going to bring up the exposure a little bit because she is looking real white. So we're going to bring the whites back down here. We don't want to make her looking pale on stage. That's not cool. But it's only because we adjusted our blues. And like I said, there's a lot of lighting going on. So we're going to bring the blues. See, this is like the hardest part here is when you adjust the photo and like you like it both ways. Like I like it desaturated from the purples, but I also like the purples boosted. And I'm also colorblind too, so that probably doesn't help. So there's really not much blues going on. But overall, I really like this picture, and we're going to distort it, probably make it longer, and I don't want to add any Vigilance just because the photo is perfect how it is. And this is like, I would roll with this, I would rock this photo. I think I actually posted this photo on my Instagram, on a different edit of course. And honestly, what you could probably do is you could probably get away with dehazing a little bit, add in some clarity if you're into that, like adding clarity, adding a little bit of noise. But overall, this is a good image, and I like it, and I'm really happy. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy our preset, and we're going to apply it to our next photo. This photo I'm not that big of a fan of, but I do like the composition of this photo for some reason, only because I'm shooting directly up towards her, so you can like see her a whole lot more. And what I would do here, turn the exposure down a little bit, and we're going to bring the shadows back up. And overall, just from that last preset, I really like this image, so I'm going to roll with this image. It's a really good picture. I like it. Now, after shooting this concert, I do realize some things I would have done differently, like my electronic banding, making sure that was off. or electronic shutter, so we didn't get the band-in. But you know, whatever, we all make mistakes, and hopefully I can shoot another concert soon. Alright, so this photo I really do like as well, only because the band-in actually made a little cool effect up here. It looks like it appears to be red and blue. I'm colorblind, so you guys let me know. And we're going to turn our highlights up. This picture I'm going to dehaze, you know, give it some life, Turn the exposure up. And this is a really good picture. It captures the emotion behind her and what she's doing. She's performing. She's an artist. She's going to perform. And this is a really good picture. It shows all that. And I actually really like this picture, even though the colors are down. Alright, maybe they were down for a reason. So I would roll with this. I like this picture a lot. And what you can even do is, if you wanted to, you could highlight up here. Boost the highlights up. Really make the top of the screen pop if you wanted to. But that will show the band-in. So if you didn't have any band-in, you could definitely get away with doing something like that. Alright, next photo is of the legend himself, Jonah George. This is the guy who got me in the concert shooting the event. So thank you very much. Alright, so this preset, obviously you guys see it's not going to work on him because it just changed the color of him completely. I mean, look at it. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to fix this and bring back the colors a little bit. Alright, we're getting there. And I kind of like the overall effect of this picture. Maybe dehaze it a little bit, add some more highlights. But like I said, the band-in is really messing up my pictures. But it's all good. You know, you live and learn. And that's the before and after. You know, I kind of like bringing the color back to his skin and not making him so purplish, bluish. But you could definitely like adjust the picture how you want with different presets and really get the feel you want. This is the feel I like in my picture, so that's what I'm going with. Alright, next picture. This is Chelsea singing. Obviously, it's Chelsea singing. So we're going to go ahead and make this big. Alright, and we slapped the preset on there. Not too much of a fan of it. It's making him look a real pale and pinkish. Alright, so this is an underexposed picture for an example. Thankfully, we shoot raw so we can bring back most of this. And I would probably go with like right here. And after this, using this preset, this is a good picture. I like this picture. Maybe I would dehaze it a little bit. Maybe not. I would dehaze it only to make it more HDier, I guess you could say. Give it a little HD effect and really smooth out the colors. But I'm not going to. Here's another picture of her. She's jumping around. This really shows like all like the attention to detail she's doing. Like she's hyping the crowd up. So I would keep this picture in that sense. And first thing I notice I'm going to do is I'm going to dehaze this photo. I'm going to... Wow, bro. I don't even know if you guys can see me right now, but I am so mad. I just recorded a 25-minute video and my camera shut off like 10 minutes in. And I didn't know until 15 minutes later when I'm done the video and it's not there. So I don't know where I left off. On the editing, so we're just going to jump straight into it. I don't know. So I think we did this photo right here. We left off on this one on the video. So this is the before. This is the after. Now that we're looking back on it, I actually kind of like the before better. So hopefully you guys can see me. I'll just run you guys through a little process again. Maybe a quick process. I probably won't talk as much. Turn the contrast up. I'm going to leave the photo like this. I like this photo. I'm really bummed out, man. So maybe I'll just actually just go over the photos. So before, after. Now that I'm looking back on it, maybe it's a good thing the camera shut off because I really like the before better. Before, after. I don't know. Who knows? I gotta sneeze though. But we're not going to. Alright, so also this photo right here was a pretty good photo because of the crowd. Like I said, good photo. I like it. Now this picture was also one of my favorite pictures because I got this girl recording on her Snapchat, Chelsea. And it's all overall a good picture that I like. Like I said, guys, these are all recommendations. You guys don't have to follow anything I say. Like I said, these are all like my editing style, how I want to edit. And I'm not telling you guys how you guys should edit, how you guys should go about taking pictures of content or anything. This is how I edit. This is my style. This is how I shoot. This is how I go with. This is how I go with it. This is how I go with? What does that even mean? Alright, so next picture. I really like this picture, but I wouldn't post it only because I don't really like the blues now that we're looking at it. I mean, maybe fix it a little bit. But it's a good picture. I hate the band-in that I messed up real bad, okay? I messed up. So we got this picture right here, and the band-in went right through her. Nice. I love that. So, like I said, the band-in really messed me up, guys. But overall, I kind of like how the band-in came out. So, let me just show you guys something real quick. I don't know if we went over it in the beginning 10 minutes of the video. I don't remember anymore. So, I would leave it like this. Boom. Bada bing. Before, after. Maybe too much blues, I would take that away. And this is another photo, really captures the emotion behind her and what she's doing. She's performing, obviously. So here we got a before and after, before and after. I'm really starting to like the befores better. Am I right? I think I'm right. Am I wrong? I can't be wrong. No, I'm never wrong, right? So maybe the before is actually really better. I don't know. Maybe it's just because the blues. I don't know. So let's go through the rest of the pictures. My computer's starting to heat up, so now it's getting really warm in here. And boom, we got this photo right here. And we got this one right here I was a fan of. And this photo I like a lot just because the colors are awesome. I'm probably going to post this on my Instagram in the next following days. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys follow my Instagram, Endless Movement, MVMT. I didn't mean for it to work out that way, but I really like the word endless. I think I've talked about this in the beginning of the video or whatever I did. So if you guys can help me out with a name, that would be really appreciated. Thank you so much. And we got this picture, like I said, I don't like because of the composition. And this picture right here, like I said, I don't like because of the composition. And last but not least, our final picture with Alexander 23, and give you a little before and a little bit after, and before and after. So, that being said, guys, I really hope you're enjoying these videos I've been putting out. I know I've been slacking a little bit. I should be uploading more, but lately life has just been hitting me, and now with the coronavirus and work and all these type of things going on, it's really making it hard for me to get like time to really edit and record videos. But that being said, I have to leave here in probably 30 minutes to go shoot a GTR, or not a GTR, Supra. So I'm going to go take pictures of that. But if you guys haven't followed my Instagram, make sure you do that. I really hope you guys are being safe during this whole coronavirus thing and doing whatever you can, washing your hands. I don't know. Don't touch your face, even though I'm touching my face. But I wash my hands on a regular. I clean my beard, you know what I'm saying? No germs on this side. So, hopefully you guys are being safe. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. My teeth are killing me. I had to get more dental surgery, not surgery, just dental work done the 30th and the 26th or the 25th or the 24th or the 23rd or the 22nd. My birthday's March 28th. I can't even get lit. I'm about to be 21, but I can't even go out to drink because the bars are going to be closed because of Corona? Because of Corona? Man, I don't even know anymore, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super bummed out the last 10 minutes didn't record. So hopefully this video still comes out good. I don't even know anymore, man. I kind of just want to give up and scratch the video, but here I am talking to the camera for no reason. I'm just going to keep on talking, because why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. And hopefully, guys, I'll see you. Hopefully, guys, I'll see you. Hopefully, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace.